Ash gourd, also known as winter melon or white gourd, is a popular vegetable crop that is widely cultivated for its edible fruit. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family and is botanically known as Benincasa hispida. Ash gourd farming is practiced in many countries, including India, China, Thailand, and Vietnam, due to its nutritional value and economic significance. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Here are some complete details about ash gourd farming. 1. Climate and soil requirements. Climate. Ash gourd is a warm season crop and requires a subtropical or tropical climate. The optimal temperature range for growth is between 25 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Soil. It thrives in well-drained sandy loam or loamy soils rich in organic matter. The pH range of the soil should be between 6.0 and 7.5. 2. Land preparation. Clear the land from any existing vegetation or weeds. Plow the field to a depth of 25 to 30 centimeters and incorporate organic manure or compost. Form raised beds or ridges for better drainage. 3. Sowing. Ash gourd is usually propagated through direct sowing of seeds. Seeds can be sown directly in the field or in nursery beds for transplanting later. Sow 2 to 3 seeds per hole at a depth of 2 to 3 centimeters. Maintain a row-to-row spacing of 2 to 3 meters and a plant-to-plant spacing of 2 meters. 4. Irrigation. Provide sufficient water during the entire growing season, especially during flowering and fruit development stages. Avoid waterlogging, as it can lead to root rot. Drip irrigation or furrow irrigation is recommended to conserve water and reduce weed growth. 5. Crop management. Weed control is essential during the initial growth stages. Hand weeding or mulching with organic materials can be done to suppress weed growth. Apply well-decomposed organic manure or compost before planting and top dress with nitrogenous fertilizer during the vegetative growth phase. Regularly monitor for pests and diseases such as aphids, fruit flies, powdery mildew, and leaf spot. Take appropriate measures for control if required. 6. Harvesting and yield. Ash gourd is ready for harvest in about 70 to 90 days after sowing, depending on the variety. Harvest the fruits when they reach full maturity and develop a hard, waxy skin. The fruit should be light green or white in color. Cut the fruit from the vine using a sharp knife or pruning shears, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. The average yield can range from 20 to 40 tons per hectare, depending on various factors such as variety, cultivation practices, and environmental conditions. 7. Post-harvest and storage. Clean the harvested fruits and remove any dirt or debris. Store the ash gourds in a cool and well-ventilated place with a temperature of around 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity of 85% to 90%. Proper storage can extend the shelf life of ash gourds up to several months. Ash gourd farming is a profitable venture due to its high demand in local markets, as well as its use in culinary preparations, traditional medicines, and Ayurvedic treatments. Proper care and management, along with suitable growing conditions, can ensure a successful ash gourd farming operation. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.